108,000 pesos versus 16,900 pesos camera blind test. Kaya nyo bang ma-distinguish yung 16 Pro Max versus the GT20 Pro? So minark natin with camera A and camera B yung nasa taas and nasa baba. So dito sa photo na to, mas bright yung rendition sa camera A. Dito naman parehas naman silang may bokeh, pero mas warm yung camera B. Actually, sharpness parehas namang sharp. This is the video camera test. Contrast-wise, marami naman silang similarities. Parehas naman may stabilization, pero I prefer one stabilization over the other. In terms of color, may reddish tint din yung nasa baba. Nasa taas naman, mas may greenish tint. Here then, again, mas exposed yung nasa baba. Camera B has a bit more toned down exposure. Parehas naman ding sharp yung photo. Here again, mas a little bit brighter yung nasa baba. Yung camera B, the exposure is a bit more toned down. So may hula na ba kayo? I will give you some time to comment down below kung ano yung naging hula nyo, which is the iPhone and which is the Infinix. So comment nyo na ngayon bago ko siya i-reveal. So camera A yung nasa baba is the Infinix, and yung nasa taas camera B is the iPhone. Nahulaan nyo ba? Let me know down below kung ano yung naging deciding factor.